Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys poco phone setting guys. In this video guys I will show guys how can you connect your earbud with your poco phone guys. You want to connect guys earbud guys, you have earbuds and you want to connect with your phone, so as you can connect. And guys now let's see how to connect earbud in our poco phone guys. Now let's see. First of all guys we will on our phone setting to connect it. Then guys scroll it and guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting and guys on your Bluetooth and guys take out your earbuds. So as you want to connect one, so I take one. As you want to connect two, so I want to connect both of, so I will take both of earbuds. Then I refresh it. Then guys you can see guys your earbud name. So as my earbud name is Python, I will tap here to connect guys this right option. Tap here to connect. Then guys you can see connected and guys you can use it while watching movies, listening song, whatever you want. To watch guys you can watch with earbuds. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect earbud in Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching our video guys. Now we will meet our next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.